Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Energizer Weatheready Rechargeable LED flashlight, a must-have for your hurricane supplies and survival kits. This pack of 3 compact handheld lights ensures you're always prepared for power outages, thanks to their convenient plug-in design that fits standard outlets. With superior LED technology, these flashlights are up to 4 times brighter than standard LEDs, illuminating objects up to 30 meters away. The LED power failure light feature automatically turns on when the power goes out, providing you with immediate visibility in emergencies. Built with a durable design, these rechargeable flashlights are impact-resistant up to 1 meter, making them reliable companions in any situation. Their compact size and retractable prongs make them easy to plug into the wall for convenient use and charging. Stay ready and well lit with the Energizer Weatheready Rechargeable LED flashlight, your go-to solution for reliable emergency lighting. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.